Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be reviewing Windsurf editor. So if you are a coder, developer, web designer, web developer, or any type of coding is involved in your job, then this is going to be the video for you. So Windsurf is an amazing AI plugin that helps you to simply get your coding done in no time. So if you do not know how to basically install it, it's pretty easy. Let's just say you use Microsoft Visual Studio Code for your development. So all you need to do, let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. In your extensions section, as you can see here, you're going to be simply searching for Windsurf and install. So installing point of view, it is really easy. And then once you have it here, you are going to be using this to code, and the outcomes are really amazing since it provides code completion functionality in VS Code, and it is powered by generative deep learning models that is able to complete code in a variety of programming languages. So you do not even need to basically code anymore. It is going to be doing the job for you, and it also offers a lot of different type of features like auto code completion and various other. So that's how easy it is. And if you ask me whether I recommend this, what I like about this platform is its auto code completion feature, because no other AI integration or plugin is really able to provide this kind of feature. So in that terms, I highly suggest you download this software, download this plugin, and try it out for yourself. So basically, you can see we have the download option here. If you do not know how to download it, you can watch one of our previous videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.